Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
Ben from Waste in Progress, thanks for joining us on the podcast,
great
mate.
to. How are you?
Excellent, excellent. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Waste in Progress? I know that you guys are making awesome things for coverings for robots using upcycled materials. Like, give us a rundown of what you guys are working on.
Happy to. Look, Waste in Progress Textiles, or WipTex, we're a new company out of Melbourne, and we're taking all of the tent material from a lot of the outdoor education groups and a lot of companies around Melbourne and globally, and repurposing those materials into high-value asset protection and, most importantly, robotics.
Nice.
For us, we realised those properties of those materials would be perfect for protecting those robots and also helping build Australia's kind of sovereignty and local manufacturing capabilities all in the one space. So exciting stuff.
Nice. And when we were talking the other day, you were telling me that, you can increase the life of a robot by up to, say, 5 years by protecting it from dust and moisture and all those kind of things.
That's it, yeah. There's so many robots just perish so quickly because of the environment they're in. And our whole goal is to try and elongate that life by 5-10 years. Keeps it running, saves all of that expenditure on new robots and repairs and downtime. And we think we can help compound the growth of the robot industry by protecting those assets in their bespoke, unique locations. So many local businesses we've talked to, that's their most expensive piece, and they want to try and protect and look after, and we're trying to be that connection point locally that can build a bespoke cover for them, because oftentimes the international options are very, very expensive and they're not tailor fit to the needs of the local businesses.
Yeah, you might get a couple of generic ones that and the materials that you just sort of have to be stuck with, don't get the options.
That's it, and we're trying to do it one-on-one, make sure it's, looked after, and that we will repair it and care for it going into the future. So not just the robot survives, but the cover does. So that's our whole plan.
Nice. And not just extending the life, but you mentioned servicing as well. So reduce the amount of servicing that needs to happen as well.
Absolutely.
So I love it.
That protection means that there's less downtime with the robots, less repair of the robots needed, but also the covers we design with durability patches and elements. So we change not the whole cover, but even just parts of it along the life of the cover. So we're not asking you to shell out for a new one every single time.
Nice. I actually don't see many robots that are covered these days unless they're trying to protect from welding and those kind of things. But so
and that's a big part of the industry here, but I think there's a lot more washdown, things like that corrode the paint and just create a lot of challenge. Or even we saw a fiberglass milling robot a few weeks ago that was just encrusted with dust. You could see and you could hear the bearings just grating away. Doesn't need to happen.
Nasty.
Nasty.
What other sort of products are you making from this upcycled materials?
We're trying to do general high asset protection. So we've been working to cover autoclaves, working to cover even kind of bin and material recovery at festivals, things like that. Right now we're getting pulled into a bunch of different industries and trying a bunch of different things. It's really just an opportunity for us to test all of our materials and build up our knowledge of what these tents can do, and then also what the materials we have around us I guess can do in these unique scenarios. So lots of different things, but I think for us, robotics is the most valuable and important direction we're taking.
Yeah, awesome. That's such a cool story. Based here in Melbourne, circular economy, upcycling materials, stopping them going to landfill.
Designed, made, all here, and don't plan to change that anytime soon.
Yeah, all produced here. Fantastic.
I sew them hand myself.
Nice.
Yeah, many of us,
Excellent. Well, great. Thanks for coming on the show, Ben.
You're very welcome. Thanks for having me. Appreciate it. Tough.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul.